Think about this for a second. Right now, somewhere there's a woman who has almost everything she wants. She has options attention message blowing up her phone. But at the end of day, none of it really touches her soul. None of it reaches that deep. Placing inside her that craves something real every day. Men try to impress her with fancy texts, forced compliments, fake confidence, but it all feels the same predictable tar. Until someone different shows up, a man who doesn't try to impress her, a man who doesn't chase, break, or perform. Instead, with just 3 words, 3 simple, quiet, powerful words. That makes her feel something she hasn't felt in a long time: safety, respect, deep connection. And without even realizing it, her walls start to drop. Her mind starts to wander back to him. Her heart starts to soften in ways she didn't expect. Not because he's trying to win her, but because he understands something most men never will. Words are not just sounds. Words are emotional triggers. Use the right words at the right moment, and you can just catch her attention. You leave a mark on her soul. In this video, I'm going to give you those 3 words that when used with calm confidence can create an emotional bond that no money, no looks, and no tricks can ever fake. Especially number 2. Use the tone tonight and you'll see something shift in her eyes, something real. Let's dive in. If this is your first time hearing Amelia, and welcome to Stoic Paradox, the place where attraction isn't about games. It's about understanding the timeless. Most men have forgotten truths. Most men have forgotten. Every day, millions of men wake up, scroll through their phones, send another forgettable text, make another wake move, and wonder why nothing changes. They try harder. They chase faster. They give more and more, hoping she finally see them. But what they don't realize is a woman doesn't fall for the man who tries the hardest. She falls for the man who makes her feel something different, something she can't find anywhere else. Something quiet, something steady, something powerful. And it doesn't take years of conversations, expensive gifts, or flawless looks. Sometimes all it takes is the right words spoken at the right moment. Words that slip under her defenses, bypass her logic, and speak directly to her emotions. That's why you're here, because deep down you know there's more to connection than your face level tricks. Deep down you want to be the man she thinks about when Theorem gets quiet, the one she compromises every other man to, and none of them is up today. I'm giving you something simple but powerful. 3 words, not just any words, designed to wake up emotions inside her that she doesn't even realize are there. Words that make her feel seen, safe, and pulled toward you without even understanding why, especially the second tone. If you use it tonight and you say it with real calm, real belief, you'll see it happen. You'll see the way her body relaxes, the way her eyes change. The wave energy between you shifts. You won't be chasing her anymore. She'll start chasing the feeling you gave her. And by extension, she'll start chasing you. So if you're ready to step out of the noise, out of the crowd, and into a kind of connection most men will never experience, let's get into it. 1. I respect you. Let's talk about the word respect for a moment. It's one of those words that people often throw around, but it's much deeper than it seems. When most men compliment women, they focus on things that are easy to notice. Her appearance, her smile, the way she dresses, but here's the thing. True respect goes beyond what's visible on the outside. It's not about praising her for looking good or being charming. It's about recognizing the qualities that make her well. She is her character, her intelligence, her drive, her kindness, her passions. When you look at her and say, I respect you, it's not just a compliment, it's an acknowledgement of her entire being. Think about it. How often does she or someone truly see her for the real person she is beyond the surface? She says to being admired for her beauty. But truly, does anyone truly take the tomato? Admire the depth of her thoughts, her dreams, or her actions? When you say, I respect you, you're telling her that you value her for who she is on the inside, her values, her opinions, her voice. That kind of respect doesn't come easily. It's earned and it's rare. But when you give it to her, it creates an emotional connection. I got you fits. Real and lasting. How can you USFS? The best time to say, I respect you, is when she shares something that shows her strength. Whether it's her ambitions, a personal struggle she's overcome, or the way she helps others, it's in those moments that the words, "I respect you," land the hardest. It tells her you see her for everything. She isn't everything she's capable of becoming, and that is what makes her heart soften. When a woman feels respected, she knows she's valued for more than just her appearance or what she can give. She feels seen, heard, and truly understood. And if you can, make her feel this way, you're not just another guy in her life. You're someone who makes her feel special in a way no one else ever has to. I got you. These 3 words, I got you, might sound simple on the surface, but when said with genuine care and sincerity, they carry so much more weight than most people realize. Every woman, no matter how strong she appears, faces moments where she feels vulnerable. Maybe it's when she's trying to balance work, family, and her personal life, or when she's pushing through challenges that seem impossible. She doesn't always show it, but deep down she's looking for someone to stand with her, and that's where "I got you" comes in. When you say, "I got you," it's not just a promise to be there for her in the easy moments. It's a commitment to stand by her when things are tough. It's letting her know without a shadow of a doubt that no matter what comes her way, she's never truly alone. There's a quiet power in these words, because when you say them, you're offering her a kind of security that transcends words. It's not about saving her or solving her problems for her. It's about giving her the freedom to be herself, knowing that you're there to support her, listen to her, and help carry the load if she needs it. Think about how rare it is for a woman to hear these words and feel them genuinely. In a world that often expects women to do everything on their own, when a man steps up and simply says, "I got you," it's like the world slows down for a moment. Those 3 words become her anchor in a storm, and the best part, you don't need to fix everything. Sometimes she doesn't take your time, want you to solve her problems. She just wants to know that you're there by her side. So when should you say, "I got you"? It's during those quiet moments of vulnerability, when she's feeling overwhelmed, uncertain, or emotionally drained. It's when she's going through a difficult decision and you can see the weight of it on her face. It's when she's trying so hard to be strong, but you can sense that she's carrying a lot. "I got you" isn't just about comforting her in the moment. It's about showing that you'll be her support system no matter what happens next. And when she knows you've got her with hesitation, without doubt, you'll earn a level of trust and loyalty that goes far beyond what most men experience. 3, take your time. In today's fast-paced world, the very thing is about rushing. Rushing to get the perfect grades, rushing to meet deadlines, rushing to find success. There's always this constant pressure to quick, to be efficient, to do things faster and faster. And for many women, that pressure becomes even more intense. The world around them demands that they stay on top of it all, balancing their careers, their personal lives, their responsibility. And yet, despite all the noise deep down, we all know that some of the best things in life take time. That's why "take your time" is so powerful. When you say this to a woman, you're giving her permission to slow down, to breathe, not feel rushed or overwhelmed by the demands of the world around her. Think about how rare it is for a woman to hear someone tell her, "Take your time," without the pressure to do more, be more, improve more. It's an invitation for her to be herself in her own time, to take the space she needs to make decisions, process emotions, or just simply enjoy a quiet moment without the burden of deadlines hanging over her. The power of these words have, and when you say those words, "take your time," you're showing her something that most people miss. You value her peace, you value her well-being. You aren't pushing her to be something she's not. You're allowing her to be the person she is in this very moment. Power of these words lies in their simplicity. It's not about rushing her to get things done or forcing her to keep up with the pace of the world. It's about offering her a gentle reminder that her time is yours and that you're not here to rush her or make her feel inadequate. When should you say, "Take your time"? It's in those moments when she's feeling uncertain or stressed. when she's making a big decision or when she's simply trying to figure things out. Maybe Besha's faced with a difficult choice, or perhaps she's opening up about something deeply personal and needs time to think about it. Instead of rushing in with advice or trying to fix the situation, you give her the gift of patience, the ability to take a breath and make decisions at her own pace. Take your time doesn't just show that you care about her. It shows that you respect her journey and her process, and that respect, that understanding that she doesn't need to rush, will make her feel incredibly valued and deeply connected to you. It's these small moments of giving her space and time that create a relationship built on trust and genuine connection. Take your time is the phrase that says, I'm here with you and I'm not rushing you. Take all the time you need because you matter to me. Now you've heard the power of those 3 words. I respect you. I got you. Take your time. These words aren't just phrases you say here. Emotions you share, connections you create, and a deep understanding you offer to someone who truly matters. So here's my challenge to you tonight. When you find yourself with someone special, or when you're talking to that woman who means so much to you, just say what's expected. Don't just offer the surface level compliments or the casual conversation. Instead, give her this 3 words that have the power to unlock a deeper bond. Tell her, I respect you. Let her know, I got you. Encourage her with, take your time and see what happens. Watch how it shifts the energy between you. These words aren't just about making her feel good in the moment. They're about laying the foundation for something stronger, something more meaningful, something that lasts far longer than a simple compliment ever could. But it doesn't stop here. If you want to dive even deeper into the art of connecting with women in your life, then be sure to subscribe to my channel, Thought Tiller, for more insights like this. We're all about building lasting relationships based on genuine respect, understanding, and emotional depth. So if you're ready to take your connections to the next level, you're in the right place. And hi, if you found value in this video, make sure to hit that like button and let me know in the comments what words or phrases have had the most impact on your relationships. Love to hear your thoughts and experiences. So remember, take the time to connect deeply. Don't rush the moments that matter, and most importantly, always respect those around you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay wise, stay grounded, and take care.